I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, we're talking about Cardano today, so hit that like button. I got my hot tea and honey, locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started. Before we get into the show, guys, please let me know if you still want me to do these Cardano videos. The views have been a little bit low, and that's not the problem. The problem is that I want to entertain you guys. I want to be here for you. I want to give you guys the real news. And if you guys aren't really vibing with the Cardano news, please let me know. I'll cover another coin. Maybe I could do another format, whatever you guys want. So please comment down below. How can I improve? How can I get better? Again, I'm here for you. Let's get on to the news. Now, I liked and retweeted this. Thank you to Shah Crypt on Twitter because, guys, this is legit here. Cardano is like nothing that we've seen before. Here's what he says. What boggles my mind is that Cardano has its own treasury. Its own treasury worth $1 billion, guys. We don't need any VC fund. We don't need any bankers. We don't need any institutions to keep building Cardano, guys. Soon, after Terra comes out, after Hydra implementation comes out, after Ouroboros Omega comes out, we will be a truly decentralized brain. We will be a truly decentralized financial operating system, guys, that is controlled completely by the community. We have so many funds due to the treasury system, due to the inflation of the Cardano coin, with staking and such, that we don't need to go out and beg for money, make concessions like other companies have to do, give up control, give up decisions on the Cardano blockchain. No, we have the treasury, we have Project Catalyst, we have systems in place in order to fix Cardano, in order to make it better. And that's one of the best things about Cardano, in my humble opinion. Okay, if we need to fix something, we can fix it. If we need a bug fixed, if we need a major patch, we have the funds to get developers here to help us. If we want to create a new product, we have the funds to fund it. Okay, we don't have to go beg, we don't have to rely on charity like other cryptos have to. We don't have to rely on a foundation like other cryptos have to. This is a big, big, big thing. All right, guys, so leave a couple likes down below if you like that. Thank you to Ada Coins, ticker symbol CoinZ. Guys, if you are considering staking your crypto, staking your Cardano, please consider staking it to CoinZ, ticker symbol CoinZ. All of their information will be in the pinned comment down below, guys. You can't just keep your crypto on Coinbase. It's not getting any interest. It's not working for you. You got to make your money work for you, guys. That's what being your own bank is about. Please consider joining CoinZ. These guys are extremely professional. They have relays all over the world, ran by AWS specialist here, this gentleman. So please consider staking with CoinZ. Thank you to CoinZ for sponsoring this video. Again, all of their information will be in the pinned comment down below. We look forward to staking with you. Moving on. All right, guys, we got a video here. CoinZ trailer 2021. Hopefully this doesn't get zucked. The video, my last video, the VeChain video I did yesterday, got a copyright strike. I be trying to showcase this stuff to you guys, but like YouTube be tripping. They be bullshitting, man. They be striking me for everything. So I'll play it, but if it's muted or whatever, or I have to trim it out, it's because YouTube is a hoe, pretty much. YouTube being a hoe. So this is just a trailer. Hopefully it doesn't get copyright striked. This is a cool podcast. This is a cool, basically it's a podcast. Episode 1 will premiere on the 19th in 2 days. Why am I showing this? Charles Hoskinson is a part of the podcast. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna play it at my own risk. Hopefully, I don't get striked or it doesn't get snipped out. If it does get snipped out, I'm sorry. YouTube being a hoe. So let's play it.
I'm Robert Darby, and you're tuned into CoinZ, the only podcast that might literally set you free.
Welcome to the podcast CoinZ. I'm your host, Patrick McLean, and I'll be joined by a panel of experts. Sitting here today with Eric Voorhees.
I'm Sheila Warren.
Happy to be here with Dave Jevons.
I'm Asif Herji.
My name is Bill Barheit.
We have Paul Brody. Whitfield Diffie. Mark, how you doing today? Kosala Hemachandra. Sitting here today with Dan Hell.
My name is Luke Kerner.
My name is Bruce Fenton.
I'm Nick Carter.
Melton Damaris.
Raoul Powell.
Roger Ver. Lynn Ulbrich. Anthony Scaramucci. Alex Mashinsky. I get to sit here today with Charles Hodgkinson.
Sam Bankman-Fried.
Nathaniel Popper.
Paolo Ardoino.
Could we define this as a war?
That's it. Hopefully I don't get zucked.
A new Sunday Times.
We'll see. So that's pretty cool, guys. Can't wait to take a look at it. That's Sky News Australia. Can't wait to take a look at it. Again, it's CoinZ official trailer 2021. Nice podcast. And we seen our man Charles here, right there. Yep. So can't wait to see what he has to say. Moving on. All right, so input output posts looking good. Last week we shared the latest dispatch from the world to Cardano smart contracts in our mid-month update. Thanks to the community for the messages of support for all your incredible work bringing us here. We continue to remain on track for Alonzo smart contracts upgrade via the hard fork combinator event on Sunday the 12th, 2021. Yes, for the eagle-eyed. Sorry for the typo. Today, we've been working hard over the weekend and continue to make positive progress, maintaining momentum against the timeline shared in our mid-month update. We are at a good place, but there is further work ahead. Today, we released the Plutus mainnet candidate to the node team, who are now hard at work integrating this to our node final release candidate. This version will next be passed to Alan and Doran during the QA testing team. This will be, quote unquote, the one. Once they have given their okay, they will hand it over to our component teams, who will implement any final upgrades before the Alonzo hard fork testnet, still on track for September 1st. Since spinning up the new Alonzo Purple network, we have over 250 participants on the network. Some SPOs users have experienced configuration issues on Purple. This is likely to be a setup issue, so we will make sure everything is good before scaling further. Meanwhile, the first exchanges are making progress on integrating with our components. 6 exchanges now actively engaging with the Cardano Foundation led integration team, and we expect numbers to increase rapidly as the week progresses. The team has quite a month ahead, but we are making good progress, and we will be sure to keep you posted here as we head over closer to smart contracts. Not long now, onward and upward. And I would agree, guys. I'll keep you posted here. Just tune in to Satoshi Boom's show. You'll get all the news you need. Moving on. All right, Charles Hodgkinson retweeted this. So this is Reach here. And basically, he's promoting this. He hopes that this gets voted on in Catalyst. Reach is a dApp programming language that has over 2,000 developers building smart NFTs, lending platforms, auctions, and exchanges on many other common blockchain applications that currently live on Ethereum, Algo, and Conflux. It uses language semantically similar to JavaScript and automatically generates formal proofs through compilation. A proof of concept would cost $200,000 and take 3 to 4 months. So that seems to be pretty big. Again, I'm not a developer, so I'm pretty sure the developers in the comment section's ears have perked up. So they're asking for $200,000. This is Catalyst, and this is the Reach proposal. Charles says, I would really love to see the Reach Lang proposal Catalyst pass. I like the team and their work. The community needs to support projects like this. I don't know what this would do, but it seems important. Maybe this will help the Ethereum virtual machine, and it will help interoperability here and there. So that's something to look out for, guys. All right. And then we talked a little bit about this yesterday. Charles roasting Mike Novogratz. Mike Novogratz hating on Cardano yet again. Oh boy. Yeah. It's okay. If you think the FUD is bad now, guys, if you think ADA's being attacked by maxis now, just you wait. Just you wait. You think it's bad now? Wait till we get to $5. Oh boy, the shit won't stop. The shit talk won't stop. Then it's gonna get more intensified. When we get to $10, even more intensified. When we get to $32, guys, I know I sound crazy. I know I sound absolutely nuts right now. Okay? But when we get to $32, it just won't be maxis and dumb people on Twitter. It's gonna be financial institutions. It's gonna be governments coming after ADA. Just you wait. Lock it in. We're holding strong, baby. We're stacking ADA and chilling. All right. That's all I got for you today, guys. I love y'all so much. Comment down below if you still want me to do these ADA videos. I'll gladly do them. But again, I'm here for you guys. Let me know if you want me to start covering another coin. Maybe that'd be a little bit more entertaining. There's a lot of people already covering ADA. There wasn't much people covering ADA last year, but now all of a sudden, people with their surprise face thumbnails come out of the woodwork, and you know, now they care about ADA. So let me know, guys. I could do other coin reviews, maybe start talking about Zilliqa, maybe start talking about XRP. That'll probably get me a lot of subs. Just become an XRP channel. Nah, I don't think so. Anyway, let me know what you want, guys, down below. I'm here for you. I love you, and I will talk to you tomorrow with the VeChain and Cardano updates. You don't want to miss them. Have a great day.